Let's say your household finally starts producing a profit. You earn $7,000 per month, you spend $5,500 per month, so you have a $1,500 household profit. That's great. But here's the problem. Most people earn profit and then accidentally spend it. And that quietly destroys their financial future. Welcome to Rich Knows Money, where I explain financial systems, help you connect the dots so you can make improvements and help your own money situation. Today we will learn 3 things. Number 1, why household profit often disappears. Number 2, the 3 places the profit should actually go. And number 3, a simple system to direct your profit automatically. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do with your household profit every month. Let's quickly review the system we built in the last episodes. Your household works like a business. Every business has revenue, expenses, and profit. Your household is the same. You've got monthly income, you've got monthly expenses, and you've got monthly household profit. And profit is what builds financial security. But profit alone isn't enough. The profit must be directed. The problem most people have in their household is that profit sits in a checking account. And over time, it just gets spent on things like vacations, home upgrades, gadgets, random lifestyle purchases, and slowly the money disappears. Not because people are irresponsible, but because there is no system controlling it. The core insight: profit is like fuel. If it just sits in the tank, nothing happens. But if the fuel moves through the right system, it builds financial stability and wealth. That's why every strong financial household does one thing. They split their profit intentionally. The profit splitting system. Your household profit should flow into 3 places: savings, retirement, and protection. Let's walk through each one. The first destination is savings. Savings are your short-term stability. This money is set aside for upcoming expenses, planned purchases, small surprises. Savings keeps you from using credit cards every time something happens. Think of the savings as shock absorbers for your financial life. The second destination are investments. Investments are how your profit becomes future wealth. Every month your household produces a profit. That profit gets invested consistently. It begins to compound. That means small amounts today can turn into large amounts later. This is what we'll explore more deeply in the compounding machine episode. Third, protection. The third place profits should go is protection. This usually means building an emergency fund. Unexpected things happen like car repairs, medical bills, temporary job losses. Without protection, those events will destroy your entire system. Protection keeps your household financially stable during these shocks. Let's use a real monthly example. A household earns $6,500 per month. The expenses are $4,800, so the household profit is $1,700 per month. Now imagine they split that into profit. $600 to savings, $700 to investments, and $400 to emergency protection. Every single month, their financial system becomes stronger. Imagine your profit as a central stream of money. From that stream, 3 channels branch out: savings, investments, and emergency protection. Each one strengthens a different part of your financial system. When all 3 grow together, your household becomes financially resilient. Let's do something practical. Pause the video for a moment. Calculate your household profit, monthly income minus monthly expenses. Now ask yourself one question. Where is that profit going right now? Is it going to savings, retirement, protection? Or is it just slowly disappearing? Here is the key takeaway. Profit is not just money left over. Profit is the engine of your financial future. When profit is directed into the right systems, savings grow, investments grow, protection grows, and financial security becomes inevitable. Most people focus their entire lives on increasing income, but income alone does not build wealth. The real power comes from what happens after the income arrives. That's where financial systems change everything. In the next episode, we're going to talk about something incredibly powerful: how small amounts of household profit, invested consistently over time, turn into serious wealth through compounding. This is where the compounding machine begins to work, and so does all of your hard work. Thanks for watching Rich Knows Money. Like the video and subscribe for more cool content. If you have any questions, put it in the comments. I'll answer your questions immediately. Thanks a lot. Take care.